could.
heard a train. Get your camera ready, Gabe.
I did. Come on.
I'm going there as fast as I can be.
No, listen for a minute.
What?
Go on, see that glowing up there? That might be the train. Which way is it going?
I don't know, Gabe.
You see?
There it is right there.
Here it comes, Gabe.
Yep.
Get ready, Gabe. Put your window down.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'll wait.
I don't know if they'll see you.
Here he comes. Get ready.
Yep. I'll try wait, but
I want you to be able to see it.
come on, can I try to wait?
Here he comes.
Yeah, I'll wait. Is this the one parked?
Huh?
Is this the one that was parked?
No.
Yeah, it was. No, I think this was the one that was parked.
Maybe.
It was. CN. Car hauler train. Number 2908. CN. Come on, this was the one that was stopped.
Really?
Yeah. This is a car hauler train. It's now MixedFreight. Car hauler. Yeah. There's car haulers. Let's go beat us up.